my name is Naula Khan and I am your Mext guide. As I promised earlier that I will make a video on each university offering Mext scholarship. So I'm starting with Tokyo Metropolitan University. And for your information, I will make 3 videos on each university. In the first video, I will give a brief introduction of that university. In the second video, I will tell you about the process to apply in that particular university. And in the third video, I will tell you about the deadline to apply in that university. Why it is important? Because if you know the process and if you know the deadline, you can write an email to the professor and you can carry on the process accordingly. So if you don't know the deadline and you are just waiting, so it will be a problem. So we need to know the process as well as the deadline and the introduction of the university. So I'm trying my best to make all the videos of university, but it will take a little bit time, but I will try my best. So I'm starting with Tokyo Metropolitan University. This is the university in Tokyo and it falls in top 3% universities in Japan. So it's the best university, I would say, I must say. So furthermore, it has 3 campuses: Hino campus, Arakawa campus. So you can see the faculties as well at the left side. You can see the Graduate School of Humanities, Law and Politics, Management School, and Science, Urban Environmental Science, System Design, Human Health Science. I am moving up with the slides. You can see different department as well. You can see here, this is the School of Humanities and different departments are there. Similar with the Law and Politics, School of Management, School of Science, and the Graduate School of Urban Environmental Sciences, and the Graduate School of System Design, and School of Human Health Sciences. So you can see there are a lot of schools there. There are multiple are available. So you can just apply there. And for your information, every graduate school has its own seat of Mext scholarship. So I would say, I will say that people arrive in 22 to that was 17 Mext scholars who applied, who won the scholarship of Mext University recommended scholarship. So it's the best platform and the best scholarship to apply. So you must apply in Tokyo Metropolitan University. In the next video, I will tell you the process. It will be a little bit complex, but I will try to sum it up in a very short minutes. I hope you have an introduction of the university. Now let's move to the process. If you like my video, please press the like button and do subscribe my channel. And thank you so much.